Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So, a very important question. Do you all know the different triggers in n8n? You should know that in n8n, whenever you start a workflow, you need a node called the trigger. It's actually the trigger that's responsible for starting the entire workflow. And of course, everything depends on our workflow, so the trigger or triggers can change. That's why I wanted to make a little lesson where I've gathered all the triggers together. So, I was actually able to collect 30 triggers. I've divided them into 5 or rather 10 categories, and I wanted to make a short video where I explain each trigger, how to set it up, and what it's used for. It's actually very important to know these triggers because thanks to the trigger, you'll simply be able to create a workflow that will be optimized. So, a quick, simple, and easy tutorial for beginners to go through all the triggers on n8n and know which trigger to use and when. So if you're interested, I even made a little documentation where I included examples with these triggers. If you are genuinely interested, of course, just simply write n8n trigger in the comments section below, and I will promptly send you my comprehensive full video tutorial and detailed documentation. This will ensure you can be completely ready to effectively utilize these powerful n8n triggers and confidently get started with the entire n8n system without any delay. Thank you.